makeup natin and ang outfit natin is pang Noche Buena friendly kasi mabubusog tayo mamaya. Good morning! It's Christmas! Well, it's going to be the eve of Christmas today, 24 of December. And this is our Christmas baby. Yes! Say hello! Hi! Oh, wow! Antok pa. This is his breakfast. Egg, saging, and bread. Yes. Iniisa-isa ko lilalagay kasi tinatapon niya. Oh, that's your egg. Eat na your breakfast. Wow! Very good. You like the egg? Yum, 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 yum. Yummy. Wow! Good job! Yay! Clap your hands. Yay! Clap your hands din. Good morning, guys. So, pupunta muna kami ngayon sa Becky's to get some cake for the Noche Buena later tonight. Yun. So, nag-prepare kami ng mahaba-habang pilahan kasi last year, grabe na, the whole day ka naghintay. Ay, pero 6 o'clock na doon ka na. Naalala ko maaga ka pumunta, natagalan kong bumili ng cake.
2 hours lang siguro.
2 hours. 2 hours lang ha. 2 hours waiting to get a cake sa Becky's. So yun. Let's see. Let's see our luck today. Kung kumusta man. Dumating na rin kami sa Becky's kitchen. Ayan. Yan yung Becky's kitchen. Ito na kami. Becky's kitchen. Number 90.
74.
Isipin natin anong bibili natin. Tingnan natin dun. So, yung in-order ko, chocolate mousse cake. Yan. Tapos, order din ako ng half box ng cherry fudge cake. At cherry fudge brownies. Titikman ko lang. So, ito na so we're good. Sabi mo. Let's go. You ready na ikaw for Noche Buena? Ay, sis Dada. Gwapo-gwapo naman. Si Dada pumayat na, oh. After 4 days of dieting.
4 days lang.
Ito ang outfit ko today, guys. Yan ang makeup natin. And ang outfit natin is pang Noche Buena friendly. Kasi mabubusog tayo mamaya. Okay. Isa kami kasi late na kami as usual. Ito ang makeup ko. Holiday look makeup. Tumatawa. This is my holiday look. Wow! Dinala sa lipstick yan. Laverne. Okay. Ang bilis ah. Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Say hi to the cat. Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Oh, there's the cat.
All dressed up in stardust and tinsel in the rain. You sit and watch the rain every time it falls. Do you cry when you're alone, waiting for?
Yeah. Yeah, let's open. What's inside? This is from Mama and Dada. Wow! Colorful wisdom. Shape, color. There's wisdom in it. Yay! It's for 3 years old and up. Yes. Want to play with Teddy? Wow! Look at this, Anna. Look at this. This is for you. You're gonna love this. Wow! What's that? You take it out, you put it inside. That's your favorite, right? Yay! Put inside. Yay! You love your gift? Hey guys, nakauwi na kami sa bahay and natulog na rin si Dada and si River and it's now about 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm sorry guys, hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina. We're so busy eating, catching up, yeah. Life happens, but thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna end the vlog here. It was so fun doing vlogmas this year and I'm so happy that I made it. Natapos din natin guys. It is such a challenge. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy na tong daily vlogging sa channel and yeah, it's such a challenge but it's worth it at as long as masaya kayo viewers at nakapagbigay kami ng tuwa, information or something sa inyo. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell to be updated if we have a new videos uploaded. And Merry Christmas to everyone! Thank you for spending Vlogmas with us. And I will see you guys on the next video.